Are you looking for the best product you can find in the market? Take a look at the next video to understand why this is the best thing for you.
I focused everything on my studies because I wanted to make a difference. Now I negotiate big contracts and have to ensure the best outcomes.
I love my work and I enjoy using my creative talents. I've always wanted to draw and design things.
Technology is my life. I made it my work and I can't live without it.
You always have to be perfect. You can't let yourself get distracted.
Out in nature, I can get away from it all. I can listen to my inner voice.
Taking care of myself makes me feel good. They say it's not very ladylike, but I love its sound.
I can relax when I'm driving my car, but it's not enough.
Something stronger has a hold on me. It's my car.
In my car, I'm not afraid to let my emotions run wild.
I'm out for thrills.
It's not a secret.
Speed is my need.
Speed, adrenaline and the quest for ultimate performance define Oz DNA and are our ongoing inspiration. For over 40 years, Oz has worked closely alongside the most prestigious Formula One and rally teams. We use only the best materials and technologies. Our mission is to innovate, and through innovation we write our own history. Welcome to Oz.
So, if you want to get the best possible deal, please check out the link below.